Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're searching for the eternal flame.
Today we are exploring Chestnut Ridge Park, just outside of Buffalo, New York. Neither one of us have been here before, but so far it's pretty nice.
Yeah, it is beautiful. Lots to see, lots to hike. Good for day trips. There's a big playground here for kids. Looks pretty cool.
There are lots of trails here at Chestnut Ridge Park. Today we're going to try and tackle two of them. The first one we picked is the Chestnut Ridge Trail, which we thought was going to be through the forest, but it turns out it's actually a paved road. not what we would normally pick for an adventure hike. But that's all right, because once we finish this trail, we're going to be heading to a smaller trail called the Eternal Flame Trail, which is the entire reason we came to this park.
They have all of these like stone walls kind of lining where the river, I assume, used to be. But if it's there now, it's pretty dried up. No water. It's like we're the only ones in here. So Chestnut Ridge Park was named for all of these beautiful chestnut trees. This would be a great place to have like a family day, a barbecue. The day use shelters are quite large, and I see they have barbecues outside of them. I don't know, I like it. So the one part I'm noticing about this trail is that there's not a lot of signage. So I don't know, unless you took a picture of the map, you're just wandering, which is fine.
So this trail was a little bit longer than we thought it was going to be. We just walked about 7 kilometers.
Yeah, more than I anticipated today.
We thought we were going to do the short part of the trail, and well, we missed that turn.
Yeah.
So we did the whole thing, but we got a good look at this park.
Yes.
It's extremely nice.
Yes, it is.
And this entire path was paved, which means it is wheelchair and stroller accessible.
Yep.
But now we're going to head to the other path.
What we really came here for.
The Eternal Flame.
Eternal Flame Trail. It is an out and back trail, and it's 1.2 kilometers long. So not too bad. It takes maybe like what, half an hour to get there. So that's pretty easy. So far, it's an easy walk.
So Chestnut Ridge Park is named for all the chestnut trees in this area. At over 1,200 acres, it's one of the largest county parks in all of the United States. And it has tons of attractions here, including a spot for the orchestra to play, a disc golf course, and tons of hiking trails. Today, we're on the Eternal Flame Trail, on the search for the Eternal Flame.
You found her. That's me. definitely remember to wear your hiking boots or something waterproof on this trail, as it runs right alongside of a river. Oh, cool. I can see it. Awesome. That's so neat. It looks so cool from back here already. I've never seen something like this in my entire life. It's pretty.
Oh. That was close. So Eternal Flame Falls is 30 feet high, and it has a little grotto just behind me right here where you can see, and there's actually a crack in the rock that emits a ton of natural gas, a lot of methane and propane, and as you can see, it's on fire.
So I'm standing, I don't know, like 20 feet away from the flame, and whew, you can smell the gas. So this is a super easy hike, a little bit rooty, and there's some ups and downs, but it's worth it. It's short and it's sweet. I love it. All right, we've had our short stay here at the Eternal Flame. Now, back to the front.
So the Eternal Flame Trail is a pretty easy trail. It's pretty short, but there is 40 meters of elevation gain, which over the length of a trail is not all that much. However, in a short distance, it's about 100 stairs. So get ready to climb.
I don't want to. Made it. I'm out of breath, but I made it.
All right, we've made it to the end of the trail. We found the Eternal Flame. It's what we came here to do, so mission accomplished. Pretty cool to see something like that.
Yeah.
There's not too many places you can go and just see a natural gas leak just naturally burning.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot for watching to the end of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Christopher Forrest. Stay on designated trail. Yes, sir. Watch your step.
They have tons of trails, including biking and snowmobiling.
Oh, there's snowmobiles? Yeah. While we're walking around here, we have come across at least 4 or 5 huge playgrounds for the kids. It's mind-boggling. I don't know how many they've got so many in here. How many they've got so many in here? That wasn't even proper English. Now I'm talking like you.